Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Translate on Telugu, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you simply need to search for the Translate or Google Translate in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see a link in here, and you can also use this one as well. But if you are beginner, then let me select this link. And now you'll be redirected to the official Google Translate login page, Google Translate page, where you can see there is a English language in here and you can see there is a Spanish. So let's say I know the English and I want to change it to the Telugu. So simply click on this drop down because I can't find any of the Telugu option in here. You can see there is only 3 options: Spanish, French and Russian. So once you click on this drop down icon, you can see there is a tons of language in here. So let me search in the search bar. Let's search for Telugu. And now you can see Telugu in here. So let's select the Telugu now and let's say hey dear. My bad. And now you can see the Google Translate has translated my English language to the Telugu successfully. So let me copy this one. So you can also copy by tapping on this icon. So once you click on it, you will be able to copy it successfully. So if you want to switch it, then simply click on this one and you will be able to swap it or switch it successfully. So let's say in here you know the Telugu and you want to translate it to the English. So you simply need to paste it on it. And now you can see the Google Translate has changes my Telugu language to the English successfully. So yeah, basically this is how you can use Google Translate on Telugu. And if you still encounter an issue during this process, people can leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.